11 Sleeping Businesses. Stop scrolling. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 11 ways money can land in your pocket while you're doing absolutely nothing, even while you sleep. Have you ever wondered how the world's wealthiest people keep making money even while they're fast asleep? It's not magic, it's not luck. They've built businesses that run themselves, systems that keep generating income whether they're working, relaxing, or dreaming. Today, I'm going to walk you through 11 sleeping businesses that can make money around the clock. Stick with me until the end, because number 5 and number 9 are two of the easiest ways for anyone to get started, even with very little money. Let's get into it. Number 1. Dividend stocks. When you own shares in a profitable company, that company pays you a portion of its profits every quarter. You don't have to do anything. You just hold the shares and the company does the work. Number 2. Rental property. Own a house or an apartment and rent it out. Your tenant pays rent every single month, whether you're awake, asleep, or on holiday. Number 3. Print-on-demand store. You design something once, a t-shirt, a mug, a poster. When someone places an order, a supplier prints it and ships it for you. No inventory, no warehouse, no hassle. Number 4. Affiliate blog or website. Build a website where you write about products you love. When people buy through your link, you earn a commission, and old blog posts can keep earning for years. Number 5. Digital products. Create an ebook, a template, or an online course. Build it once and sell it over and over again. No restocking, no shipping, no limits. Number 6. Vending machines. Place a machine somewhere busy. People buy from it themselves, the machine restocks your income automatically, and you barely have to lift a finger. Number 7. Licensing. If you write music, take photographs, or hold a patent, you get paid every single time someone uses your work. Number 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend your own money to others through an online platform and earn interest on it, day and night, no matter what you're doing. Number 9. YouTube or podcast ad revenue. Record a video or episode once. Old content keeps generating ad revenue for months, even years, long after you've stopped actively working on it. Number 10. Mobile app with in-app purchases. Build an app where users pay for upgrades or extra features. People are making purchases inside your app even while you're completely offline. Number 11. Self-storage units. People pay monthly to store their belongings in your units. It requires very little ongoing effort, and the income keeps rolling in. Those are the 11 businesses that can put money in your pocket while you sleep. Pick one, commit to it, and start building your own passive income today. If you found this useful, make sure to watch the next video, where I'll break down which one of these is the easiest for complete beginners to start with.